Today, we're going to show you how to remove a shower head so that if you want to replace it, you can do that. In order to do this, all you're going to need is a pair of channel locks, which we've got right here. And what I like about channel locks is they allow you to adjust the different size of that head. So we're going to adjust it so that we can get a good clamp right there. And all we're going to do is grab onto the collar. You can see where that is. You've got the pipe here, and then the collar is what's actually attached to the shower. And usually it's got an indentation on the side where it's a little flat spot. So try and grab that if you can so you don't damage it. Usually you just need to loosen it up a little bit, and then you can remove it by hand. Make sure you're holding on to this. And then we are going to be able to remove this so that we can put a new shower head on. And we've got our pipe, and now we're ready to install a new shower head. If it's stuck on there really good, make sure that you don't bend this pipe too much. You might want to hold it with your hand and then remove the shower head by making sure that you're supporting this with one hand while you wrench on it. And then I'll show you, most of them will have a flat spot like this one does, so that you can fit either a wrench or channel locks on there pretty nice. So right here, we've got that little flat spot right there, and we can use that to leverage our channel locks and remove this. So thanks for watching this video on how to remove a shower head.